What is up, my slimes? What is up, my main shooters? What is up, my Wodinem? What is up, my big steppers? What is up, gang gang? We are back in the Firataka. I can't find my mouse for the first time in a while, so we'll see if we can make some shit shake. I'm not liking these current layouts of ships right now, but you know what? Let's just fire one out there. I doubt you're going to that area. Oh, and of course, as soon as I fire. As soon as I decide to fire, of course. Oh, oh, he's outside my range. Wait, how short? Oh, only 12.6. Jeez. Not ideal. How far are my torps? 10? Yeah. Okay. Oh, son of a...
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
Whoever told me to use AP on this ship, I'm not sure you were right. I've yet to be impressed by the AP shells on her so far. I mean, I get it's like a little slower reloading time. So like, what's it called? Fucking HE might not be the best. But I don't know, I'm still not seeing the benefits, to be completely honest. Also, this shell range is really not ideal. Nice little beachside resort town there, though, looks like, yeah? Alright, I'm switching to HE. Who the... Were you trying to intentionally sabotage me, whoever commented that, to use AP? Because HE... Or, sorry, AP is, doing absolutely nothing so far, in my opinion. Like, literally nothing. Gosh, his range is just so limiting. There's an opening right there. Actually, I don't know if that'd be better or worse for me, but all I know is it'd be better for action. Who's detecting me right now? Go find me something, buddy. Oh, there's somebody capping over here? Where? Interesting.
Torpedoes dead ahead. Torpedoes to port.
Very interesting. Oh, son of a...
Critical engine damage.
What the fuck? This ship fucking sucks.
Team has taken the lead.
What is this ship fucking good at? It sucks at fucking everything. Like, I'm pretty sure this wasn't a ship on World of Warship Legends. Like, I don't understand what this ship is good at. It's not very fast. It's fucking long as shit. It's not fucking agile. AP shells do no fucking damage. Barely sets any fucking fires. I don't understand. It's weak as fuck. What is the point of the ship? Someone explain it to me. I know I fucking suck at this game. But someone please tell me, what is the Furitaka fucking good at besides fucking sinking to the bottom of the ocean? Thank you for coming to my TEDx talk. Have a wonderful day or night. I love you.